my tracks, not what I really want. Oh, we did bad guys, so. Oh, they look so tired. Oh, we should have brought water.
I asked for water.
Oh, yeah, my bad. I feel like going in the garage. Because I'll be cold, too, if I gave you my jacket. Like, whoa, you always sitting up the front. Front is for the homies. You can sit in the trunk. I never answer my phone whenever you call it. And then the way
They're going for the pool.
Nice.
They're fighting over it.
Really? Let's go.
Come on, Sonny.
Let's walk to the park.
In the front?
No, the one in the back.
Oh,
the
yeah,
hobos.
yeah. Ooh, this is a good song.
I know, right? For like walking. This is the walking dog song.
Sonny can do the shuffle if he runs.
I know.
Run! Sonny, run!
Not the shoe.
Make your butt go up like a bunny.
Come on, bigger. Okay, let's go to the left.
Come on, Sonny.
Hurry up before he gets mad.
Old man, come on.
Oh my god, I'm gonna start calling him that.
He's 7.
You know what? He takes that offense. He takes that to offense, you know.
Sonny's calling the leash.
Sonny! You know what to do! Oh, thank you.
That was funny.
Okay, these people cannot get along. Look at Pickering. He's like a walking man.
Look how he walks. His tail goes like side to side. Sneeze.
Potty rock. Actually on my job.
Dude. That's not bad surgery because of rock and roll.
No, we're not stopping at that pool. Oh, yeah. I'm running through the bus. Oh my gosh. My friend was singing to this song. He was fist pumping. Oh my gosh. This is like his 3rd time he broke his watch in my car. he was fist pumping too much. It broke. That was definitely.
Oh God. Oh God.
Oh. That's disturbing.
People, pick up your dog's poop.
Even in the middle, that's just disturbing. Okay, hold on. My music stopped. What do you want to listen to?
I don't really care. Something rappy.
Okay, well, listen to Drake.
Come on, Sonny. Stop being stubborn. He's like, my tree, my tree.
Not bad for you. Not doing that. Come on.
I almost tripped over.